Hi friends, this is Dinisha and welcome to my channel Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm sharing a tutorial on how to make roses with fondant. This method does not require any special tools and still make it look very natural and can be used as a topper on your cakes and cupcakes. I made these roses for a wedding cake. The figures that you see on this cake, the bride, the groom, the laptop and the camera has been done by myself. But I have only included the tutorial for roses in this video. I always use ready-made fondant for my cake decorations. I use the brand Vision from Baker's Villa, the 1 kilo white color pack as it stays for a long time, and I dye them myself with the colors I want except for red and black. So here is the tutorial. If you're a beginner in using fondant for your cake decoration, then this video is definitely going to be helpful for you. If you like to see similar videos in my channel, then do let me know in the comments below. Now here are a few tips for the beginners. If your fondant is sticking to your hands, then use cornstarch to dust. And if you want them to dry quickly, then use CMC or Tylose powder in very little quantity into your fondant and knead them before you make your figures. If you are making these ahead of time, then store them in an airtight container in room temperature or in an air-conditioned room, but try to avoid keeping them in hot and humid places. If you're placing the toppers on whipped cream cakes, then try to place them just before the cake delivery, else they will absorb the moisture from the cream and tend to become sticky. Hope these little tips are helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you're liking this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I come up with new videos. Hope you all like this one. See you all soon with another exciting recipe video. Till then, take care and bye bye.